So hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to talk about if you want to make an outline lining for your image or thumbnails, then how you can do that, right? So for that, what you need to do, first of all, whatever you have, images, just go to this website and remove the background. Okay, once you have removed the background, what you need to do, just upload in your Canva. Okay, and then select this and then drag and drop in this way. Okay, so here you can see that this is without background. So what I have to do, just I need to crop it. So just crop it. And now, so I want to make the outline. So for that, what I need to do, so just click on the effect. Okay, and once the effect is occurring, here you can see that the shadow, right? Here you can see the shadow tab. So so if you are not able to see this tab in your list, so what you need to do, you will get you may also like such kind of stuff. Okay, so shadow will be there, so you need to just simply click and connect to the shadow. So once you have clicked on the shadow part, so just click on the glow. Okay, so once the you can see that this is shadow is applying on this our image, so you have to click on this C control. You can see that C control, the three dot. Okay, you need to click on this and you need to select the your outline color. So for for this image I am selecting the white color, right? So here you can see that the little bit glow you can see that in my image. So what you need to do, that is called size. Okay, so size is nothing but I think this size is good for, right? And this is called transparency. Okay, so I think it's not. So what you need to do is blur is equal to you have to do in the 0%. Okay, because I don't want any kind of blur, right? So for size, you can adjust this size, okay, by your own. Okay, so I think for this thumbnail, I think yeah, it's perfect. And now we have a transparency. So for transparency you need to slide to the 100%. Okay, so once you slide to the 100%, you can see that our outline is created. And now that is called, click on just apply, and now our images and outline is created. Okay, so now, okay, so thanks for watching. Okay.